Hello you guys, welcome back to Under the Big Mango Tree. Today is an exciting video. We have a collaboration with saunnatea. So let me tell you guys how this collaboration started. She was telling me about the company that she was going to start, which was a tea company, and I was telling her that I was going to start a series of drawing called Zodiac Teas based on each zodiac and different tea scenarios, right? And she got the great idea for us collaborating, and I was like, sure, I love tea, and she's always supported me, and I wanted to support her on her new endeavor. When I first opened the box, the presentation was just so beautiful, neat, concise, no load of extraness, because it's tea. Tea is supposed to keep you calm and relaxed, and I just love how she paid so much attention to the packaging. This is just a quick view of her business card. I'm going to leave all of her information down in the description below, so please go and check it out. She even sent ways how to steep her tea, and she sent me a little note for thanking me for trying out her stuff. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the company as I unbox this tea. So, saunnatea is a Kitchen founded tea brand that strives to bring your whole cup of tea and more. They are 100% USDA organic and is crafted without any preservatives, which I think is amazing. And 4 out of 5 of their teas have no caffeines. In this box, I received the Kitchen Vibes, Island Thyme, and a Carib Herbal Boost. I also received a jar of honey, a sipper, and a mixing spoon. I just think the whole setup and everything was just so nice. That's just me playing with the confetti because I'm childish. She also sent me a cup. Now, this is not on her store right now. She just sent it to me because she wanted to. But she plans to put it on her store, and I just think it is the most beautiful cup ever. It is glass, and it is so cute. I have all these different teacups, but none of them are pure glass. All of them are ceramic, and I thought this is just so simple and modern and very classy. I can add another sense on my tea experience with this cup, which is sight. So taste, feel, sight, and hearing. And yes, hearing, because you got to pour that tea honey and all the clinging of the glass and everything like that. It's just a whole experience with this cup. I love the feel of this box. The green and the browns makes it feel so natural and organic. It gives you a calming experience when unwrapping this box. Her color scheme works well together, and it was just a nice unboxing. The first tea up is Island Thyme. It's supposed to be a naturally caffeine-free herbal mint tea. It's supposed to give you a relaxing feeling. It has spearmint, peppermint, and lemongrass. The second tea up is Kitchen Vibes. It is a floral tea. It has hibiscus, chamomile, and lemongrass. It is a beautiful red color and gives a calming sweet taste. The last tea is Carib Herbal Boost. It's supposed to cleanse your body and mind and pick up your immune system. So it's great for these trying times. It has candela, lemongrass, and burdock and licorice root. So a while ago I bought this cute little Japanese tea set, and I don't really use it often because I don't have people to do tea parties with, but I pulled it out for this special occasion. And this is my breakfast for the morning. I don't eat a lot for breakfast, so I normally eat fruit and tea, but today I had some egg muffins, so yay. I have tried all of the teas so far, and I have to say that the Kitchen Time is my favorite because it tastes like sorrel to me. It tastes like sorrel. So that would be a tea you love to pour over ice. If you like sweet drinks, that can definitely go over ice. The spearmint tea reminds me a lot of home. I used to drink lemongrass religiously while I was on my island. That was the one bush I had on hand. And the Carib Herbal Boost felt like a very healthy tea while drinking it because of the bitter undertones. Overall, Shauna's teas are very delicious. I give them 10/10. Please go and support this black woman who is working hard to achieve her dreams. She's putting out a great product, something that she's passionate about, and I can't wait to see where she goes with it in the future. Again, her information will be down in the description box, and I'll try to put it in one of the information tabs on the video. So let's get on with the drawing portion of this video. So I decided to come up with this zodiac teas. I love tea. In almost every video you see me with a cup and some tea drinking. I love teas, and I just thought it would be great to have each zodiac in their own tea scenario, tea drinking scenario. For some reason I just thought it worked well. So this first one is Aquarius. The setting is in a botanical orchid garden. I know orchids are Aquarius's birth flowers. I also inserted their vase that pours the water out of it. When doing research on Aquariuses, it says that you guys are feminists, free thinkers, and boss bees. So for this, I put two women enjoying tea together. I don't know, maybe they're successful, maybe they run their own business, or they're just two great friends that love to do elegant stuff. At first I tried to go with a little bit of more of a rendered style with this piece, but it's not my strong suit, so I just decided to line it in the end, but you'll see that. And I don't really have much more to say, so just enjoy this lovely speed paint and music, and yeah, I'll see you at the end. So we have reached the end of the video. I would like to thank Shauna for collaborating with me on this video. Again, all of her information will be in the description box below. Please go and check out her stuff. They are very delicious. I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.